Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best heavy-duty sewing machine for 2025. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. Lightweight, full-featured, 27 stitches, 6 included feet. Brand Brother. Color white. Product dimensions 5.9-inch DX 12.1 WX 15.3H. Manufacture year 2023. Material metal. Item weight 12.6 pounds. Power source corded electric. 27 unique built-in stitches. The XM2701 includes 27 built-in stitches including decorative, blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitches and an auto-size buttonhole. Automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin. This sewing machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. Included accessories. The XM2701 comes with 6 sewing feet, 3-piece needle set, twin needle, for bobbins, instructional DVD, manual, and more. Versatile free arm. This free arm sewing machine is perfect for a wide range of everyday sewing projects, and users from beginners to advanced. At your side support. The XM2701 sewing machine comes with Brother at your side support, offering free technical support via online, live chat or phone for the life of your machine. This product is intended for sale only in the US at 120 volts, and any other use or sale voids the warranty. Number 2. Singer Heavy Duty 4423 High Speed Sewing Machine. With accessory kit, strong motor with enhanced piercing power, 97 stitch applications, full metal frame, 1-step buttonhole and LED light. Brand Singer. Color gray. Product dimensions 6.25-inch DX 15 WX 12H. Material plastic. Item weight 17.1 pounds. Power source corded electric. 97 stitch applications. Enjoy a wide range of sewing techniques for creativity and customization. Choose basic, stretch and decorative stitches, as well as a 1-step buttonhole. Automatic needle threader sewing machine. After following the threading path printed right on the machine, this built-in feature helps you to effortlessly thread the eye of the needle without eye strain or frustration. Amps, 0.7. Watts, 84. Volts, 120. Hertz, 60. High-speed sewing machine. The Singer 4423 sewing machine has a maximum sewing speed of 100 stitches per minute, so projects can be sewn quickly. The 60% stronger motor provides greater piercing power for thick seams. Heavy-duty metal frame. The Singer 4423 heavy-duty sewing machine is a true workhorse. With a heavy-duty metal interior frame, stainless steel bed frame, extra high sewing speed and powerful motor, this sewing machine can sew through a variety of heavyweight fabrics and provides long-lasting stability. Sewing machine accessories. A variety of accessories are included with all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, seam ripper/lint brush, quilting guide, needles, bobbins, screwdriver, auxiliary spool pin felt are all conveniently located and stored in the accessory tray. A soft-sided dust cover is also included in the packaging. Top drop-in bobbin with clear view cover. Jam-proof bobbin and clear bobbin cover plate are both transparent, making it easy to monitor your thread supply. The bobbin is easy to wind and easy to insert as well. Stay Bright LED lighting. Long-lasting LED lighting provides bright illumination of the sewing area while eliminating shadows. Number 3. Portable mini electric sewing machine for beginners. 12 built-in stitches, 2-speed with foot pedal light, storage drawer. Brand Rixmaily. Color white, purple. Product dimensions 5.9-inch DX 12.2 WX 11.8H. Material acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS. Item weight 2.4 kilograms. Power source battery powered, electric. Size and weight of sewing machine. Net weight of sewing machine, 2.4 kilograms. Size, 12.2 by 5.9 by 11.8 inches, suitable for household use, such as remodeling clothing, handmade, sewing, home decoration and other sewing needs. Sewing machine dual power and dual switch. Our sewing machine can be controlled by foot switch and button switch. Whether you are a beginner or a sewing enthusiast, you can easily operate it. AC adapter and 4AA batteries, 2 power modes. Battery mode is suitable for you to use when going out. Remember not to use 2 power modes at the same time, otherwise the motor will be damaged. Sewing machine user guide. There are threading indication marks printed on the body, which can help you easily thread the thread. Whether you are a beginner or a sewing enthusiast, please watch the use video carefully before using it, which can help you create works more easily. Sewing machine, 12 kinds of stitches and reverse stitching. Our household sewing machine has 12 kinds of stitches. 1 to 4 is the adjustment stitch length, 5/6 is the pattern stitch, 7/8 is the lock stitch, 9 to 12 is a curve stitch. Just adjust the knob to the corresponding number. You can use the corresponding stitch. In reverse sewing, you need to keep pressing the reverse sewing switch to use the reverse sewing function. Number 4. Brother Sewing and Quilting Machine, computerized, 165 built-in stitches, LCD display, wide table, 8 included presser feet, white, 20 by 12 by 17. Brand Brother. Color white. Product dimensions 13.5 inch dx 20w x 17.9 h. Weight 10.1 pounds. Power source corded electric. Is electric? Yes. 165 unique built-in stitches. The Brother XR9550 computerized machine includes 110 built-in utility, decorative and heirloom stitches, including 8 styles of auto-size buttonholes, plus 55 alphanumeric sewing stitches. Automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin. The Brother Fast Needle Threading System takes care of threading the needle for you in a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. Included accessories. Included with the XR9550 quilting and sewing machine is a protective hardcover, wide table, 8 sewing and quilting feet, instructional DVD and more. LCD screen. The intuitive LCD display allows you to easily choose your stitches and settings with the push of a button. At your side support, the XR9550 quilting and sewing machine comes with Brother at your side support, offering free technical support via online, live chat or phone for the life of your machine. This product is intended for sale only in the US at 120 volts, and any other use or sale may void the warranty. Number 5. Singer Heavy Duty 4432 High-Speed Black Sewing Machine. With accessory kit, strong motor with enhanced piercing power, 110 stitch applications, full metal frame, 1-step buttonhole and LED light. Brand Singer. Color black. Product dimensions 6.25 inch dx 15.5 wx 12h. Global trade identification number 008401633090028. Material plastic, metal. Item weight 14.6 pounds. Power source electric. Extra high sewing speed, sew up to 1,100 stitches per minute when you need it. Great when sewing larger projects with long seams and seam finishes. Enhanced piercing power. Stronger motor provides more power for sewing multiple layers and thicker fabrics. 110 stitch applications. Enjoy a wide range of sewing techniques for creativity and customization. Choose basic, stretch and decorative stitches, as well as a 1-step buttonhole. Full metal frame. This internal rigid metal support keeps your machine stable and helps ensure long-lasting durability. Top drop-in bobbin with clear view cover. Jam-proof bobbin and clear bobbin cover plate are both transparent, making it easy to monitor your thread supply. The bobbin is easy to wind and easy to insert as well. Built-in needle threader helps you thread the needle's eye effortlessly. Quick and convenient. 1-step buttonhole. Buttonhole sewing is a 1-step simple process. Just place your button in the foot's holder, and the machine will stitch a buttonhole perfectly sized for your button, with consistent results every time.